What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy Dio coming at you guys with another review. Today we're going to be looking at the Jordan 5 Off-White tee. Let's get into it. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel out so much. Now, for starters, I got this piece in an XL, and I definitely would say it runs true to size, or maybe get a size down if you don't like the little bit of an oversized fit, but I definitely would not recommend going a size up. Now, this piece is made out of 100% cotton, but it definitely feels like a heavyweight and high quality tee. I really like the black and gray. I think that looks super good, and I definitely like the red jumpman in the front, and then also having just the off-white. One thing I really like about this tee is that it just straight up says off-white instead of just having off-white 5 where it kind of narrows it down to the shoes. I like that it just looks like a universal piece for any off-white pieces that you have. I think this is a really cool piece to add to your collection. Like I said, I definitely like the black and gray. I also really like the Jumpman and the off-white on the front, which is like a center swoosh. And then on the back where you have the off-white box and then you have the Air Jordan wings that say off-white. I think it looks super good. I definitely like the black and red combo. And like I said, it definitely feels like a super high quality tee. This is a tee that's held up pretty well. I've always washed it on delicates and let it air dry. I've washed this probably 4 or 5 times and it still looks super good. Like I said, this is made out of pretty good materials, and I will drop the product number for you guys below and also get you guys a try on at the end of the video so you guys can see how it fits. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. There's just really not that many crazy details that I can go over with you. I really just dropped this so you guys can see the product number and let it know how it fits, and you guys can see some more details. Like I said, I hope you guys really enjoyed. Make sure you guys check out my other videos. I post a ton of content on Nike Lab and Nike Tech. Thank you guys for watching. I'm out.